face crusty and all. What's jamming? It's your boy Dre, you hear, mate? And this is one of them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to step on the notifications. And if you're real, ring that bell. It's real without fake on every scale, you hear, mate? This how it's gonna happen.
I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand.
Let's get this channel going so we can start doing stuff. Woo. Woo. Alright, man. My boy Izzy out here. This is what I talk about, man. We don't go to the car wash. We bring the car wash to us, you hear me? But man, this is my boy Izzy, man. If y'all got any auto detailing y'all need, man, come to my boy. Right here, I'm about to put it up here for y'all. Let it shine. Go follow him on Instagram, man. He the reason why Stormy say nice and clean. You hear me?
Mook made it. Come here, little bitch, let me taste it. Gon' shake it. Bend over, little bitch, try to break it. Can you take it? I'm off this hand in this honey, can you take it? Lost hit the license a race. Lost hit the license a chase. YT lit, take a henny to the face. 3 up top, bitch, I'm hanging with them grapes. But them niggas more like 8. Stock up the case, tell that bitch to a Drake.
So, this is who I mess with, man, for the mobile detailing. Shout out Izzy.
That shit took a poop.
He said it took a poop. Alright, man, this is number, man. It's the only cat I mess with, man, when it comes to detailing, car wash, interior, exterior, engine wash, paint protection, and all that, you hear me? But man, go check him out. He said he gonna pull up probably next year in the Viper truck, man. I think he said sometime next year. But man, y'all tap in, man. Like I say, man, ain't no telling what my day gonna be and who gonna pull up and what's gonna happen, man. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, you hear me?
You know, we had the COVID back then too.
Yeah. You is too funny, is it? And we good now though, right?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, alright, man.
I really don't know if I need to take it out and take it off. I just don't know.
No, man, it was funny at the time though. Hey, we was upset too. You was trying to hurt our little business.
Nah, not really.
He said I was mad. Hey, that's
Izzy keep it real though.
Hey, I do. That's why I like Izzy, bro. Izzy, hey, he real. Real in the field. So what's up? Now you cut your own hair now? Yeah, he said yeah. Come on back, man. Hey, he say, hey, we need some of that money back though. We've been giving you.
He has cuts it for me.
Okay.
Yes.
No, that's our boy too, man.
He's gonna come right now. He's gonna bring me his motor on his vacuum.
Yeah, cause your shit just took a poop. Took a poop.
The cool thing is they have lifetime warranty. So all I have to do is Costco. Huh?
What you get it at Costco?
Home Depot.
Oh.
Yeah. Lifetime warranty. That's good.
But there's he washes cars too, don't he?
Nah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh boy, this is my slime right here. So he just went and got a moonroof and shit. But what they call it, a spoiler roof, spoiler sunroof. All right, so that's what I'm about to get in mine probably. So you feel me? I'm probably about to get that on mine. I've been saying I want a moonroof or something. So let's check him out.
You got the water.
Got the water.
Wanna work? Go get the water.
Get the water. Get the agua. They put that thing in there. Nice. On a little tent. Okay. Check it out. Alright. Look, let me check it back from the spoiler so y'all can see how it tilt. Y'all feel me? That's what they call a spoiler sunroof. See, I seen that boy CJ on 32s. He had 2 in his scat pack. He had 2 tilted like that. Like, that's like the first Charger I seen with 2 sunroofs. But then I started seeing other people do it after. But yeah, this is a sunroof. I like how it looks so legit, bro. You wouldn't even think that this car didn't come with a sunroof. The way it's put in, so nice. That shit is nice. The glare, hold on, wait, y'all see the glare, y'all going. This way y'all can see the buttons. They put the buttons in nice, looks real clean cut. This is nice, this sun is just beaming so hard. That's super dope. All right, you got, hit the button. All right, you gonna have to do this. It's not working right. Do it. I'm always doing some goofy shit. There you go. All right, now close it without the thing. Yeah, without the screen. Boy, you need to get that shit washed, dirty ass boy. And can you have it at a tilt? Just like,
Yeah.
man, that's pressure. And how long did it take for them to do that?
3 hours?
Just 3 hours?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. Y'all see what it is. Mopar, no car. We coming strong, you hear me? Big Hemi thing. So I guess, hey, that's what I want for my birthday. I'm gonna put a moonroof in my car for my birthday. Either that or the tire stickers. Cause he said it only took 3 hours. Most people I'll be seeing it take like a day or 2, and it's so clean. Look how clean and cut it is. Let y'all see the top of it. Let y'all know how clean cut it is. It just needs to be clean. I don't know what he been doing. Big head ass boy. But yeah, man, stay tuned for the rest of this day. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen, who gonna pull up, and what the fuck we gonna do. You hear me? My boy, Damien. I'm gonna drop his info in the bottom so y'all can go follow him. Whole lot of truck stuff. Goofy ass boy. Aquafina. Mopar.
Hey,
What's up? Where your Mopar at?
You want to buy some boilers?
You want to buy some boilers right now?
Oh, they finally gave y'all shit, your shit back?
No, that's my shit.
That's my shit. So they kept your shit, bro?
No, the other one I did get back, but I had to pay for it.
Alright.
Look at the camera when you're talking, huh? My bad. The other one I had to pay for it.
Shut up.
I want to see me be roll ass.
Stop, bro. Hit back. Fight back, man.
Little bro, that's my little brother. Man. I can't handle that.
I can't tell, my nigga. Your head bigger than his.
Yeah, you know what I'm big bro. Yeah, you can have the big hair. I'm big bro.
Alright, so today, man, so it's gonna be a regular day, nothing planned, man. But I am pulling up on my 4,000 milestone. You feel me? Yeah, check this out. Y'all can see it. Yeah, so I'm pulling up on 4,000 miles. So I guess we can record that. That'll be the day. That's what this video gonna be called. Pushing up on my 4,000 milestone. You hear me? So this is me reaching 4,000 miles on my car. Currently I'm at 3,983. So we almost there. But this is just a regular day. I'm headed to work. Nothing special. That's a regular schmegular day, you hear me? But man, y'all just stay tuned. Ain't no telling what y'all gonna see. Ain't no telling who y'all gonna be there. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen. You feel me? Just tap in a minute. Y'all see it, pushing up on that 4,000 milestone. Stay tuned, man.
A few moments later.
And boom, the 4,000 milestone. All right, so we finally pushed up on 4,000 miles, y'all. So that's what this video gonna be basically about. We finally hit 4,000 miles, man. I got this car probably about 24 miles. It was probably 24 miles when I pulled off the dealership with it. So that's just a little bit. But yeah, man, we just hit that 4,000 mark. So that's what this video was about. So yeah, man, we just hit that 4K, you hear me? We just hit 4K, you hear me? But I'm just hit 4,000 miles. I'm about to head home. I'm just getting off work. It's gonna be a little simple video, man. I ain't really did much, but I got my little merch stone and shit. Gotta go shout out my boy Big Boy Stuff 314, you feel me? That's where I got the drip at. Hey, that's what year I was born, 1990. My birthday is December 29th. We got St. Louis on this shoulder. And I got my name Franco on the back, you heard me? But yeah, man, make sure y'all go tap in with him. I'm gonna drop his links and all that in the description down below, where y'all can go get y'all some merch too. But while we talking about merch, make sure y'all copy my merch, man. Y'all gotta make sure y'all copy my merch, you feel me? Right down below, poorhighclass.store, you heard me? But this is a regular day, man. Like I told you, I ain't do nothing, I ain't did nothing, man. Thanks for chilling with me today, man. Ain't too much going on. I mean, I do want to speak on just a little brief second. Like, my mom did test positive for COVID, but she's doing okay. So keep her in y'all prayers and all that, y'all. Make sure y'all keep her in our prayers. I'm gonna stay prayed up for her, but it's just a regular day for me, man. It's a regular schmegular. About to head home, and I'm probably about to finish this video. I'm about to edit this video, and I hope y'all watched my last video with me up in that Porsche Taycan Turbo. That motherfucker's quick as hell. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. That's one of the fastest cars I've been in, and I wasn't even behind the wheel, you hear me? But I don't know, we shaking right here. We probably on a bad street or something. So all I can say is, man, y'all got any questions, drop them in the comments. Stay tuned for more content. And that's how we gonna keep it rocking, you heard me? Oh, we got this Challenger on the side of me. Let's see if he really won't smoke. Got this motherfucking Challenger, man. Y'all can see right there. Let's see, man, if he gonna try some stuff when this light turn green. Cause if he do, I'm pushing off, y'all. He did. And we out of here. And I got him. Nah, he got off. Yeah, so little homie right behind me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Once I got over, I slowed down. So that's the only reason why I say he got me, because once I went to the other lane, I took off, you feel me? He was still behind me, but I low-key gapped him, you feel me? I ain't gapped him by that much, my nigga, not even a car. Like, it was just like this. But he right behind me right now, so I'm about to give him a run for his money right now, too. I'm out of here. Left his ass in the back, y'all. He's back. He's way back there, y'all. He way back. He probably trying to come up now. All right, we about to race all the way down 395 then. I mean, not even 395. This is Mojave. He on me. He on my tail. If y'all can see him behind me, bro, he way back there. But he's steady on me. He on me. He trying to catch me. But I done gapped his dumb ass. I gapped his ass, y'all. I had to throw the lights on though. But oh boy, he was cool though. I mean, that was a good little race, you feel me? I wish I would have seen the first one. Well, y'all did catch the first one, but I turned it back on when we got to the light. But bro did his shit. He kept up. I didn't really gap him like that, but bro kept up. I just gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all never know what y'all gonna see on this bitch, you hear me?
Wildin' and styling my thousands. Cash. I'm wildin' and styling my thousands. Thousands.
Don't really do foreigns, but fuck it, I think I'ma buy me the mileage. St. Louis, my city, I got that shit tatted all over my body. Pine line, big and block, you city, we jamming, you know that we bout it. 40 Glock, extend, dope clip, be hanging out my body. I'm wildin', I'm styling my thousand.